You say it's a Hellcat. Let me see that. Let me see. I don't know. It may not be a Hellcat. You think it's a Hellcat, everybody? He got the badges. Got the Hellcat hood. He could be faking. I've seen these conversions. I've seen people taking SXTs and putting wide body kits. Exactly.
Tell her what to do.
You know something done here, Knockout?
Nah, not yet.
Oh, your shit felt jumpy compared to his.
That's because it's a Hellcat. His shit's a RT,
It's
man.
a fucking RT. That S
His orange is.
I got that special edition RT right there.
Yeah, I know. What do no, I was in auto. It was in eco mode, so I mean it shouldn't have been too jumpy.
No, whenever I touch the gas, it just jumps.
Oh, it's probably that pedal thing you were just talking about.
I haven't put it in there yet.
Oh,
it's not even on there. It's not even on there yet. You ride in eco mode all the time, or what you ride?
I just ride in auto.
Auto. Okay, that's eco.
Is it?
Don't it have the green emblem? No.
I mean, eco mode. I think eco mode is a whole different option.
With the Hellcats, it's probably different because y'all got two sets of keys. You got the red key and the black key.
You probably got the eco mode.
Yeah, exactly. The eco mode's on the black. You ride in red all the time, right? Of course.
He lost the black.
You serious?
No, I didn't lose it.
That shit collecting dust.
But the thing I know, if I have an auto,
yeah,
my superchargers don't even work.
Oh yeah, they probably because to my understanding, if you put it in the black key and everything, it takes it down to 500 horsepower, which is like scat pack numbers. Yeah. That's 392.
I'm about to do that going to Greensboro just in case somebody try me. Okay,
yeah, that's the thing. You don't want.
I got the wrong key.
In the Wranglers? They put the 392 in the Wranglers?
Really?
Y'all didn't hear about that yet?
No, I hadn't heard about. The fucking Durangos are coming with a Hellcat this year.
I'll tell you something.
That's gonna be crazy, huh?
After you stop recording, I'll tell you something.
There you go. Those are authentic Hellcat badges, y'all. Those are authentic Hellcat badges. Got the one and only Jesse Slayton. He's not new to the channel. You've seen this guy plenty of times. That's clean right there. I'm trying to get on Dodge Official, man. Instagram. I send them pictures all the time. I get no response. They don't even look at them.
You gotta be like, what's the old buddy with the red eye? The old man.
No, but I've seen RTs on there. I've seen old 392s on there.
You know it's crazy. You probably you just timing, man.
Yeah.
Like offset like two of my pictures. That's just timing.
Yeah, I saw you post about that.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
Yeah, you shot up in followers randomly.
Yeah.
You went from like two something to like 480.
Yeah.
In like a week or two.
If you started like posting every day,
You wanna invite somebody?
if you started posting like every day,
Special.
I said if he started posting like every day, his shit would be like, you'd have a couple thousand easy. Photo shoot.
$5,000 a week, I'll run your Instagram. $5,000 a week.
$5,000 a week.
Like it's other lights pop on. It won't come on now.
The daytime driving lights? The DRLs?
Hey Jesse, is the other lights on? I don't know.
You can't really see them from this angle anyway.
Gotcha.
Never mind then.
Oh.
He on the strip club. I swear to God, there's a dude that owns a strip club out there.
His name is Alan Jones. He has a family though, like little daughters.
I
And
don't
shit.
need nothing.
That ain't.
Strip clubs too.
Listen, family men own strip clubs too, man.
Long
If you got a Venador, you got to own something.
Last night we were on our way to the
One toxic cat right there.
Yep.
Follow him on Instagram. That's his bad boy. That is clean. That is clean. Charlotte. Look at Charlotte, bruh. y'all from Charlotte, man, look how crazy that drop is. I don't even want to look down. I'm getting sick. Look at that. That's the city. Big old Brimbos. Orange too. Not quite color match, but orange. How they looking, man? Jesse Slayton, one and only.
Good. I'm looking over the shit from Lambo earlier. That's the baby's Urus.
Oh really?
You see his wheels? I don't have a picture of it on here, but he was driving with his knees, destroyed his rims. That's why it's there.
Seriously.
Yeah.
Listen, you got money like that, you can do that. It's all good.
Just driving with his knees.
I wonder, does he still own a Scat Pack, or has he upgraded to a Hellcat? Have you seen the Scat Pack?
Nah, not yet. The only thing I've seen is his Urus, because it was tan before and now it's matte black.
Gotcha. Yeah, he's got his Scat Pack wrapped. What's going on? You brought another car? We got a what's that? A Honda Pilot.
Tell her to park beside.
Tell her to park beside. Come on.
Let's get her in the middle.
That's what it looked like. That's what it was. Came up here to get a little, you know, a little something. What's up? What's up?
Give us a ride down, or
Yeah, that's cool.
Staying up here for a minute.
That's cool. Yeah.
I'll send them to y'all later tonight.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go home. I'm not going to a meeting. All right.
Yeah, I'm fucking tired.
Yeah, I'm not doing that Concord.
Huh?
That's the one in Concord.
Concord, no.
There's a
Fuck
shooting
no.
at like
There's
every
one in
other
Concord, but
meet
it's
now.
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
it's like an organized thing.
That yeah,
Like,
yeah.
it's
A K1 speed, isn't that it?
Nah, it's what is it? Ride Now Motors.
That dude said Halloween.
Ride now, move.
He said Halloween scats though. No, that's a Hellcat, man.
Nah, don't. Hey, man.
It's don't confuse that,
I
man. That's a
told y'all.
Hellcat. Don't be rude.
I'm gonna have to put up the
Hey.
pay
Yo.
bill out here.
I'm gonna have to get a video from up here,
Of us leaving?
or like on like wherever our level is.
Yeah.
But y'all both get to the cul-de-sac and then pull off one at a time or something.
Cool.
put it in
And
sport
then
mode.
yeah, y'all see,
Yeah.
you'll see me, but that's gonna be a sick video.
That'd be sick.
Especially with the new iPhone.
Are you gonna do the thing like we did last time where you riding beside us going all the way down?
Nah, cause it's too skinny in this garage. If we were in a different one, maybe.
You saying we got fat cars? Oh yeah, that's right. We did it over there. I
Yeah.
forgot. Yeah, we did it on
I
that
got
one.
the widest cars you can get.
Fat boys.
I don't know if it's the most power, but it's definitely one of the widest. out
Listen,
there.
these. What's the most powerful car you driven, man?
1,000 some. But like I haven't driven it like
You didn't get
miles
it-
down the
yeah,
road.
yeah,
It was
yeah.
like from the
From
shop
here to here.
somewhere like
Yeah.
close.
Yeah, we can do that.
There ain't no need for a 1,000.
6, 7 to the wheels is like fine.
I mean, after a certain point, your tires just don't, you know, they don't grip.
yeah, exactly.
You know what I'm saying? So you just spinning.
Keith, the guy that I worked with on the side, he had a 540 ProCharge 540 big block in his '63 Nova.
Yeah.
It had a 15-inch wide tire, and it made like 996 and 1,044 foot-pounds of torque to the wheels.
Yeah.
And the fucking thing, like you go 100, 120 miles an hour down the highway and blow the fucking tires off like it was nothing. Like it was
And
not.
they're 15-inch
that
wide.
shit was sketchy.
15-inch wide. That's stupid.
Yeah, that's like truck tires.
That's truck tires. Still getting loose.
Most kids we
It's
know
wide
are
body.
12 wide and then trucks. What are these?
Are you coming to Jack's Wax tomorrow?
What time?
8:30.
8:30 at night.
That's the need.
There's gonna be a lot of cars. Yeah, Gastonia.
Gastonia?
Yeah. A lot of cars up there, man. What kind of
cars?
cars?
You said bitches?
Maybe some up there too.
I'm faithful. No. I'm not,
You got to be faithful in that car.
Like raw roaches right there.
is that roaches right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh shit. It's literally like
I thought you was talking about like the insect roach.
they literally look like they still have the weed in it.
Yeah, I don't know. Coronavirus.
Bro,
I'll put my
what?
hand on
That's
that.
homes. That's crazy.
See, this is what goes on in Charlotte. We got cars, we got the city, and we got some weed right there.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm starving.
Me too.
Where we going, man?
Yeah, we gotta try to eat.
It's Charlotte now. I don't care.
What's close around here? Shit, what's not close? Everything.
Hey Jesse, what did you finish the other one?
Jesse
We took
Slade.
together?
Which one?
The other picture you say you had. Oh no.
How many did I send you already?
See, Jesse be forgetting what he sent you. You got to stay on him.
I'll be sure.
But hey, man,
I don't
listen.
like be that. I don't
Hey,
like be that
listen.
annoying dude, man.
You got to be with him.
Good, yeah. Trust me, I have way more annoying people than you hit me up.
Yeah.
All right, let me count this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You probably still got some from one of our shoots that you hadn't sent me.
15, 16, 17.
But like I always choose the best one. 20?
Yeah.
Yeah, 20 so far.
Oh, your spoiler is different than mine.
I probably got like 3 or 4 more, but like I always choose just like the best one.
Okay.
Yeah, why's your spoiler? Yeah. Your spoiler is different than mine, man. Yours is like smooth all the way around. Mine's got the...
Yeah.
Wait till I get the new one.
I just realized that.
You got a carbon one coming or something?
That's smooth. Why they do the Hellcats like that? You see how his is smooth all the way around? Mine's got the little indentation.
Oh,
Yeah, you gotta talk to him.
What?
oh wait, let me see it next to the stock one.
Yeah. See how low it
You got a
is
monster truck over here.
compared to his stuff. Yeah. Look how much room. You can't even get 2 fingers under his wheel.
Hey, that shit back.
Oh no, my fingers might be
like that.
Yeah,
Can you get 2? I can't get 2 fingers under his wheel. They're so low.
the front's low as hell.
Low as fuck. I don't know how you drive like this, man.
Get used to it.
Yeah. Like every stop, you probably come, what, 2 miles an hour?
Man.
Oh shit, y'all want a sticker or something? Y'all like Mexican?
Matthews?
I've never been there.
This is the best Mexican restaurant around.
You want to, bro? I don't care.
It's like down Independence.
Yeah, so
God damn, looking over that kills me. That kills me. Fuck that.
think your GoPro would survive?
I just, like, I spit over there earlier.
I'm
It took,
curious.
like 15 seconds.
Who are you waving at?
I don't know. I'm waving
At the canopy?
Yeah.
Canopy.
Doing way back.
Hey, yo!
Canopy!
They ain't no way back. I'm trying to Frank Corona.
Can I have your number?
Oh, hell.
Hey, I'm gonna go down to my car
Yeah.
and get my phone, but y'all start like packing up.
Start packing up.
GoPros.
All right.
I'm gonna get a video of y'all at the intersection.
Cool.
And I'll text y'all the address of Azteca too.
Cool. That'll work. Look how beautiful the city is. It was raining like crazy not too long ago.
Let me get one more pic.
Yeah, get some pictures, man.
Perfect lighting.
Get some pictures and send them to me, because I'm over here trying to film.
Oh.
I'm filming and live streaming at the same time for the first time. Cold start. Oh yeah, we're gonna get you a cold start. Mine sound better because it's a 392 and his is a RT with the Hellcat badges. You still ain't showed me that engine. You say it's a Hellcat. Let me see that. Let me see. I don't know. It may not be a Hellcat. You think it's a Hellcat, everybody? He got the badges.
No, it's not like that.
He got the badges. Got the Hellcat hood. He could be faking. I seen these conversions. I seen people taking SXTs and putting wide body kits and new front ends.
Bro, I had so.
Is it a Hellcat?
I had some white guy go.
Let me see. Oh yeah, that's the real deal. Supercharged. My man said that's an SXT, man.
What? What is that? What is that?
That's a supercharged SXT, man. V6 gang in the building, man. Yeah. I say okay, that's the real deal.
That's crazy. Plus,
My man got his shit so low, bro. Look at that. I can't even stick. This is my GoPro. I don't know how you drive like that, bro.
you get used to it.
Yeah, I guess you did get used to it. Yeah, I'm hungry, man. Go ahead and give them a cold start. They want to hear that cold start.
Ain't nothing cold.
Ain't nothing cold, right? Yeah, that sounds good. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, man. I'm hungry. Just wanted to do this live stream thing for the first time. Here come that Honda Pilot. Yeah, they about to call the cops on us. All right, see y'all in a bit, man. Peace.